Hey everybody, welcome to the linuxin.com. In today's video, we are going to discuss snap packages. So this is the outline of the video that you see on your screen. So this is how we're going to roll. First of all, we are going to discuss what is a package. Then we are going to discuss what is the need of snap packaging when Ubuntu has .deb or RPM. Then we are going to dive into the practical work, which is like, first of all, using a command into the terminal, we are going to enable the snap support. Once we enable that, then we are going to perform several activities like finding the snap package, then installing it, then tracking it, then downgrading and upgrading it. And finally, we're going to see that how can we remove the snap package, and one thing that is not included here, that how can you actually open it. Opening is, you can open any snap package like you open any program in Ubuntu. Like you just simply come here and you just could search for any snap package that you have installed, okay, and then you can open it up. And the other way is by using the terminal, right? So after doing the last thing, removing the snap package, we are going to conclude that if snap packages are really worth it or not. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. So first of all, what is a package? So when developers create some sort of source code for you in order to run on your program, they do that software development in coding, right? They have to code for creating that specific software. So now that code, that source code, they deliver you via packages. Okay, so that software, that software code or that software that you get is in the form of packages. So they cannot really give you the source code directly so that you can run it on your system. A lot of users can't do that. So that's why a package is important. Okay, so the next thing is, what was the need of snap packaging when Ubuntu has .deb? So the idea is that it was done for convergence, right? So the convergence means that it is being used in other devices on other platforms as well, such as drones and IoT devices. Okay, these are the best examples. So the snap packaging was introduced because of this multiple support of multiple platforms sort of thing. Okay, so let's dive into the practical work now. So first of all, what we're going to do, we are going to enable the snap support with one command. So Control-Alt-T, as we always do, we're going to write here a command sudo apt install snapd. It's going to ask you for the password. You hit enter, and okay, got it. So once you have done that, now we could find snap packages, right, which is our next step. So how do you do that? You go here, you type here snap find, and let's say we write here VL, we hit enter. Okay, so it has found, we have searched VL, so it has found video LAN VLC, like this one here. So this package it has found. Okay, so the next thing, after finding the package, what you can do, whatever your package, whatever the package that you want to search, this VL is just an example. You could search here whatever package you want to install. Okay, so once we have searched it, now you know that it is available. So now let's go ahead and let's try to install it. So how would we do that? We would write here install snap, then we would write here sudo snap install, then we would write here VLC. We hit enter, and now it has basically started to download it, right? So we searched VL, but it has given us VLC. So remember, if you're just going to search A, it is going to show you the list of the packages which contains A. Okay, so it is going to download it in a while. Like here it says 5 minutes and 30 seconds perhaps, and now the time is increasing. So I'm gonna fast forward this video from here, and when we are done installing our first Snap package on our system, I'll get back. Alright, so now it has installed, and now if you want to open it, let's go ahead and let's search it here, VLC, and you can see it's right here, right? So it has been installed. So now the next step that we are going to do is that we are going to keep, what if we want to keep track of our all Snap packages? How do we do that? So in order to keep track of every package that you install, there is a command that you can write down here, which is snap list. You hit enter, and now you can see that these are all the Snap packages or the Snap programs that you have installed, right? So right now you can see Audacity, Core, and Slack and VLC. So these are the Snap packages that I already have in my system. Okay. Okay, the VLC has opened up. Let me cross it. Okay. So now what if you want to track the changes that have been made in the package, in the Snap package? So in order to check all of that, you have to write another command, which is snap changes. Yes. So you can see that there are two changes here. One is the Slack that I installed earlier, and the other one is the VLC. Okay, so these are the two changes that have been done in our system regarding Snap packages. So it has shown it, right? So that's how you track changes. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to look up to is upgrading and downgrading a package. Okay, so let's say that we have installed a version of Audacity here. We have 2.3.0. So let's say that there is an update, it's coming up, and it comes and the update is 2.3.1. So now we want to upgrade. What if we want to downgrade as well? So now we are going to, let's say we didn't like the upgrade, so now we want to downgrade. So let's see, how can we do that? How can we upgrade a package and how can we downgrade a package? So in order to do that, you have to, like, if you want to upgrade, there is a simple command that you can write here, sudo snap refresh, let's say VLC. Okay, so we hit enter, and it is going to if there is any update available of VLC, it is basically going to update that. Okay, so it says Snap VLC has no updates available. Okay, so let's try it with Audacity. Refresh Audacity. So yes, Audacity has an update here, so it is going to install it, because I think 2.3.0 version is the old one, and I have installed it like very long ago. So now it might have an update. So now basically Audacity is going to upgrade. So let's say that what if we want to downgrade this? So now what I'm going to do, that I'm going to upgrade this Audacity package once it gets upgraded, then I'm going to downgrade it. Okay, so I'll wait until it gets installed. I'll fast forward the video from here and I'll get back. Alright, so now Audacity has been refreshed. So now once we have done that, now we are going to check that which are those packages which need to be refreshed. Okay, so in order to do that, we can like write here sudo snap refresh list. So here is one package that needs to be refreshed, which is core. Okay, we could do that, but right now I'm not gonna do it. Right now I'm going to revert, like I'm going to downgrade the package that we have upgraded, which is essentially the Audacity, right? Audacity package or the Audacity program. So how do we do that? This is the way. We are going to write here a command sudo snap revert Audacity. So now it's basically going to revert it, or it's going to downgrade the Audacity package. Okay, so now you can see that Audacity reverted to 2.3.0. Now it has been downgraded. Okay, so hope you have got the idea. So last but not least, how do you remove a snap package? So we have installed VLC, so let's go ahead and let's remove it. Okay, so in order to remove a snap package, you would write here sudo snap remove the package name, which is VLC. You hit enter and now it has started to remove VLC. Okay, so it says VLC removed. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. So the conclusion, the final conclusion right here, if we take a look at the outline, we have done all of that. Now the conclusion is, so the question is that snap packages are really worth it? The answer to that question is yes, because the adoption of the snap packages have picked up speed. And also the creators of snap packages are pushing really hard so that it could become like easy for users to use it, and you know they become habitual to snap packages, right? So yes, it has scope and its adoption has picked up speed, so it is really worth it. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you have really enjoyed it. For the written articles, you can visit our website linuxin.com. In the end, rate, comment, subscribe, and what do you think about snap packages? Let us know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.